Alrighty folks, today's going to be a quick video. I hope everybody has a great day and a blessed weekend. We finally got, I'd say it's 99% done. I still got to drill some holes inside the pipes in there. I'll show you that there in just a minute. But as far as getting it put up, we've got it put up now. I'm still going to do a little bit on the end walls. Bring you up here and we'll show you. There goes Dixie up the hill up through there. There's a groundhog hole up there. Now just look over the mess in here. Alrighty, as you can see, we've basically got it done. I do have to come in here with the drill. They said at Farmer's Friend to, down here at the bottom of your pipes, drill you a weep hole. He said condensation will form inside these pipes. Now just give it a place to leach out of it there, drain it out. I've still got to put the end caps on the metal. Yep, let Dixie in. Yeah, we're in here. Yeah, it's about feeding time. You can hear all the goats a-hollering. But all in all, it went up pretty good. We got the plastic put on. And we made sure we had it's got it printed for inside. Be sure to put it on the inside. We got that there done. Next step, we got to get to cutting some boards. We're going to fill this up inside with raised beds for growing. And you probably see down there we've got a wood stove in here. Now we're by no means going to try to grow stuff through the winter or anything like that there. But that's for in the spring. Hopefully it'll put off enough heat just to keep the plants from freezing. We got it run outside to a chimney. And you're basically caught up now for we gotta get all this plastic. We're not gonna throw this plastic away. We'll roll it up. But no, that's basically it. We'll go out here and take a look out here. We just took an old hot water heater, drilled it in one side. We got it coming out the other side. I gotta get a stove cap for up top up there. Boy, I don't think much of these short days. We got the roll up sides fixed on it there. And you can see I added straw down there to the bubbles. We're coming, girls and boys. Alrighty. Like I said, now start working on getting the boxes fixed for in here, and then we'll be having to fill those up. First thing we'll have to do is clean this mess up in here. Try to do that. I doubt if it'll be this evening. Probably in the morning now. We'll try to get that there. And need to figure up what all boards we need to saw and everything. But no, we'll take a fan and put it behind the wood stove to where it blows the air on down through. And I fixed sheet metal up on that side there to where it wouldn't melt the plastic. Wouldn't be in contact with the plastic anywhere. So that brings you up to date to where we stand at now here with the high tunnel. But no, I'm itching for spring to get here now, or at least get closer to late winter. But yeah, I like that smaller stuff. We'll trash it. But hopefully the next time y'all see in here, we'll have some boxes made. Raised beds. Alrighty. I'd like to thank y'all for watching, and if you would, please continue praying for Shelby and her brother and Karen Brewer and Debbie over at Debbie's Kitchen, and Tipper's mom, Granny Wilson. If you would, I hope y'all have a blessed weekend. Stay safe, Lord willing. Be seeing you Monday. We'll see what we're going to get into Monday. Carolyn may be making us another dessert. As you can tell, I don't need to be eating no more desserts. But nope, thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a blessed weekend. Stay safe.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Holmans Homestead where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holmans Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holmans Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home.